Okay, Bismillah. Okay, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. We're making Channa chaat again today, but this is Bangla style. So the credit goes to my friend Sultana for this one. She makes this quite often, and my dad and I, we love this chaat. So I'm going to have a go today making it. Okay, so I boiled the Channa in salt and water, and then it's ready to eat, and now we're going to cook it. Okay, so these are the ingredients you need. So I'm going to cook my onions in the vegetable oil. So vegetable oil, onions, tomatoes, garlic, okay, and chilies. So we're going to cook these first with all our spices. So I have my Pakistani basaar, even though it's a Bangladesh, but that's all I have. Salt, chili flakes, and some coriander to garnish. Okay, so the oil's gone in, garlic's gone in. I'm putting the onions in next. And just fry those first for a minute or so. Okay, then add the tomatoes in next. Okay, so chili and salt have gone in. And I'm going to throw in the chilies as well, the green chilies. Okay, so a minute or so later I'm going to add the Channa. There we go. To add a little bit of the same water that I boiled the Channa in. And I've added a little bit of imli sauce because I like that. This gives it that extra tang. You can drizzle lemon on this as well if you want. Okay, so that's been cooking for about 5 minutes by itself. So all the spices have mixed in. So this needs to be nice and dry, so no sauce in this. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so this is Kala Channa Bangla style. You can have this as a snack by itself, or you can have it as a side with rice, or if you're health conscious or diabetic or anything, you can have it with some salad. And here's the salad we made today. So this is fatoush. If you want to know how to make this, please watch our last video. It's the Lebanese salad. Okay, so enjoy your chat. Thank you very much. Ma salama.